how to add glow effect in Canva. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. The first things first that you're going to do is you're going to get your image or element that you want to glow or make it glow. So for example, we have a photo. Let's think of a photo of a cat. You got a cat over here, click on photos and simply put it into our canvas over here. So let's say we'll go with this one. So we have our cat over here. It could be any type of character or element. It could be your picture, a picture of a dog, or even text. It works on text as well. But anyway, over here, so what I would do is to ensure that it is a good photo, I would do a background remover so that there wouldn't be any conflicts with the outline. After that, click on edit. In this edit option, you will be able to see effects over here or different editing things or editing filters that you will be able to do with our selected photo. But for us, we're going to select the shadow options. So over here, you have different options over here. You can notice that we have the glow option. So since my background is black right now, we're going to change the color to white, as you can see. Now you can already see a glow effect over here, but what you could do is you could increase the size of the glow. There we go. And of course, with a big glow like that, it doesn't look natural anymore. So what you can do is you can increase the blur amount. There we go. As you can see, it will look a bit more natural. And you can also increase the intensity or decrease it however you want. So for example, we have this. You could change it to a different color if you prefer. If you don't like white, you could go with something like yellow. As you can see, yellowish to make more or make it a bit more aggressive color. The glow depends on what you prefer, but let's just keep it like this for now. And that is how you will be able to add a glow or make or create a glow effect on your image. For text, there's a similar setting over here, but if you click this and click on effects, you should then be able to see the neon effect over here, which produces a similar effect, as you can see, but it's going to be a text. Unfortunately for this one, you can't change the color in here, but you can change the color of the text itself, which should follow the glow, as you can see. So that's basically how you will be able to do it. Now, if you want to have a complete or like a glow effect style on your design, simply do the following that you have just did. If you have other elements, you can also search glow in here and click on graphics, and you could do some manual adding of glow behind the different elements that you have. Depends on how creative you are and how you are able to do it. But that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribe. If you want to be able to do the things that we have been doing, click the link in the description below and get your free 30-day free trial in Canva.